Hi, I am going to introduce you to Simple KDS for Clover application. Simple KDS for Clover is a free kitchen display system designed to easily integrate with Clover point of sale systems and turn any Android tablet into a powerful one-touch KDS station. KDS supports multiple preparation stations all linked to the same Clover merchant. It integrates with both online as well as mobile app orders to the Clover API in addition to orders placed through the register. It requires no special hardware, only a 7 plus inch Android tablet. No standalone servers to manage, everything happens in the cloud. As a user, I am on sign in to your account screen where the user needs to enter email and password in email and enter password text field. Tapping on sign in will navigate the user to swimlane view screen. But before that, user needs to create an account, and for that user needs to tap on create one at the bottom of the screen. On create an account screen, user needs to enter name, company name, email, password, re-enter password, and tap on create account. Tapping on create account will create an account and user will navigate to connect your Clover merchant screen. User needs to tap on connect with Clover and it will navigate to Clover. Authorize the same with my merchant. Here I will log in with my Clover credentials. It navigated to you are all set screen where user needs to tap on set up this device, which will navigate to set up this device screen. Here I will be entering the device name. And will be selecting the stations available with our kitchen and tap on finish. It will navigate the user to first time tutorial screen. User can go through the video for understanding how the app works. Tapping on close will navigate the user to Swimlane view screen where orders are displayed in real time as they came in from online or the register. Tapping on device settings, user can make changes in device name as well as the station labels. Tap on save changes, saves the changes made. Tapping on account settings, user can make changes to name, company name, email, password, re-enter password and Clover merchant ID. And tapping on save changes will save the changes. And the user can log out of the screen by tapping on sign out.